So today we are going to be trying some chicken pho, which is this noodles in this beautiful steaming broth soup. So we keep on trying different ones. So we've not tried the chicken one yet. So this is the first time we're trying the chicken one. So they will see, they put it in this boiling hot water so it cooks. See, once it's done, then they will put it in the bowl and in the soup. So the soup's down there. That's a chicken stock soup broth. And then once that's there, they're going to put some chicken inside. Salt, rock salt, then he will put the broth inside this beautiful steaming broth, and I asked for 2 eggs, so they'll put the eggs in the broth. I wonder how he's going to make the eggs. I'm looking forward to seeing this part. Oh wow. So the eggs will cook. The eggs will cook in this steaming broth bowl. Fascinating. This is the first time I've seen eggs being cooked like this. Really cool. See, then they put the boiling broth inside the egg. So cool. So they'll be like the most succulent tasting eggs ever.
Mình chan luôn như là sao dùng 4 hộp.
Can you put the bread in the oven?
If you like bring it back to your room,
Yeah.
eat right now, then you don't have to do it in the oven.
Okay.
It's still warm.
Warm.
And you dip it in in the pot,
Yeah.
so that you can eat it.
Okay. So I'm getting some bread as well. So okay, look how they put the. Fascinating. How long this soup? You keep it for how long?
Yeah.
How long you'll keep this soup? For many hours?
Yeah, we actually steam it for about 8 to 12 hours.
Okay.
So that the bones, marrow,
Okay.
will actually melt it and
Yeah.
can give chicken to it.
Okay.
And also we remove the upper layer.
The fat.
Yeah, the fat. So
Okay.
it's very clear.
Okay.
And also we fry and we burn our onions and also ginger.
Okay.
It gives out caramelized flavor to
Okay.
the broth. But
Okay.
you can see that the broth
Yeah,
is here.
yeah, yeah.
It's a little bit brown.
Brown, yes.
Not like
Yeah.
clear one.
Yeah. Okay. So see the rich broth being added. Lovely. Delicious. So it's cooked for 8 to 10 hours. And they put onions in it as well. So very, very delicious looking. We're going to take it as a takeaway so we can have it in the room, as we're going to get lots of other food as well. So, yep.
You want bread with it, right?
Yeah, bread, yeah. Thank you.